Welcome to Sensibo. We're on a mission to mitigate the climate crisis, one AC unit at a time, in every home. Our smart air conditioning products leverage billions of data points to make ACs more efficient and environmentally friendly. 25% of global energy consumption is due to heating and cooling of buildings. Yet, we don't just want to make your AC run more efficiently. We reduce the load regional grids experience from household and business overconsumption. By 2050, there will be more than 4.5 billion active AC units. That's triple today's number. Our smart AC products help mitigate 111,011 gross tons of CO2 equivalent. That's like eliminating over 22,000 gas-powered vehicles from the road each year. We saved energy to the tune of 272 gigawatt hours. But we don't stop there. Our products help address 6 of the UN's Sustainable Development Goals. We are helping our B2B partners meet their ESG goals and reduce their carbon footprint. At Sensibo, we go beyond smart AC products to the very heart of the climate crisis. Check out our website and see how you can join hundreds of thousands of homes and businesses that are already making an impact.